Pressure. James Cameron and his submersible. Hi, I'm Mr. Olivier, and I'm at the Royal Canadian Geographical Society, and there is a special exhibit here called Pressure. It's about James Cameron's deep sea submarine. You cannot believe the technology that went into this. And he had a solo mission right down to the Mariana Trench. That's miles under the ocean. So let's go inside and find out more.
Hi, my name's Kathleen. I work for the Royal Canadian Geographic Society, and right now until September 1st we have an exhibit on James Cameron going on. Pressure is an exhibit focusing on James Cameron's 2012 dive to the deepest part of the ocean in the Mariana Trench. Challenger Deep is 11 kilometers straight down from the surface of the water, and we have the actual deep sea Challenger submersible that James Cameron went down in.
The pilot is protected inside a steel sphere. This sub is powered by about 70 bread loaf-sized battery packs inside oil-filled plastic boxes mounted to the sub's sides. Horizontal propellers move the sub back and forth. It also has vertical propellers. The body is made of synthetic foam so that the sub is light enough to ascend quickly back to the surface. There are heavy weights at the bottom. They are released when the sub is to ascend.